heading through Preston Mills, West Virginia, going to the Hazel Run Flower Farm at 406 Greenville School Road, Preston Mills, West Virginia. Upstart cut flowers from offerings, bouquets, and limited you-pick opportunities. Airplane in the sky, it's yellow and beautiful. Just saw the signs for the farm crawl. This is 1.4 miles to Greenville School Road. We're on our way. Tree high on the hill. See the tree up on the hill? We're turning left here. Greenville School Road. Point 2 to our destination. Turning left to the Preston County Farm Crawl. Hazel Run Flower Farm. Down below, I see it. Several cars here ahead of us. We have arrived at the farm.
How are you all today?
Doing good. And you?
Doing great.
Just checking out what you have here. So what are in your jars?
All right, so jars are, you cut jars, small ones for 10, large ones for 20. The large ones have a sticker on the bottom to do a $5 off when you come back and see us next time. We have our spring and early summer garden here going in full swing. The late summer fall garden is obviously a little bit delayed, just kind of thirsty, but it's still coming along. We do event flowers. Today is our first day of U-Pick for the season, and then starting in May of next year, we're going to have the barn and the house open for weddings and events.
Oh, nice. And you have t-shirts and
t-shirts,
sweatshirts?
Bags, and stickers.
Nice. Take it to jars then.
Yep.
If you wanted to pick, you get a jar, and then you go to the garden and...
Yep, we have snips here.
Here's a little cutting station. Photo opportunities. We'll check out that side in a bit. This is where you can enter to cut flowers. If you want to purchase a jar, then you can put them in, take them home. Snapdragon. Basil. There's the plastic, and they have little holes cut through where they have the plants planted. There's sunflowers in their beginning. You see they have little heads started. Sunflower that's starting to get bigger and starting to come out. See the beautiful farm around the mountains. Patches are named. Part of the farm down below. In the barn. Like they have a watering system. Little bees are liking the flowers. Lots of little bees. Different colors. Purples, light purples, yellows, white and cream, even yellow. Pretty purple with yellow. marigolds. Pretty flower blowing in the wind. There is an orange and black bee. That's different color bee. Bees really like these flowers. They're everywhere. Very bright pink. Variations of white and pink and light pink. The flower looks like this. And then when it opens, it looks like that. They have some cornhole games set up. It looks like the hot weather and lack of water is really bad everywhere. The pond is really down and low. There's the pond. It's pretty low. Lots of people have stopped by to see the pick the flowers and are picking flowers. Hazel Run Farm sign with photo ops. Your children can get their portraits taken with flowers, in flowers. And a train photo op. Picnic tables to sit a while. More photo opportunities where they can potted plant children. We have a little turtle pool filled with corn where they can play. Here's a field that will be ready later, but we're going to look through it while we're here. Fencing system. Plants that are getting started that will be ready in the fall. Archway. More plants. Flowers. Different colors, lots of different colors. Down below is where we just came from. There's the farmhouse. Field and trees in the back. And lots of products that are suffering in the sun. The sun is relentless. The heat is bad. Poor plants. These are zucchinis. Rows and rows. Here are the cars that are here for this event. They come and they go. It runs from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. today and tomorrow. Free admittance, no cost, unless you want to purchase something. And those are available. They have like little stores at each little location. Helicopter with a tree trimmer on it. It's got like a lot of little round blades. Bug catcher here to help you, standing in station. And we have completed the Hazel Flower Farm. And we're on our way to the next stop on the farm crawl.